Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, October the 30th, 2024, almost end of the month. And in this additional, I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 star Sudoku. So three puzzles are left: binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one, the 4 stars Sudoku. 4 star Sudoku number 9507. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24. Yeah. The 4 star Sudoku in the additional has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot say that every time because sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? Well, we'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 3 2s. We have here 4 3s. Well. How about 4s? 2 4s. 1 5. 4 6s. Well, how about the 7s? 3 7s. And 8s. 3 8s. And 2 9s. So the 3s and the 6s are a majority. Can I start with the 3s? Well, we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left where the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. Only place left where the 3 should be there. Well. I cannot continue with the 3. How about the 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row, so in the first row. Only 3 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column. Last column, no 6 there. 6 in the column next, no 6 there. The only place left. The 6 should be there. 6 6 6 6 6 6. Need a 6 there. Alright. How about 7? I need how about 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so no row between. Only 2 places left. 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. 8 8. We have a pair, the 7 and the 8 in this column. 7 and 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left, the 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 8, 7 and 8. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left, 2 should be there. 2 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have 7 in this column, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left with 7 in this big square should be there. 7. 7. Interesting. And now 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are numbers 8 and 4. We have 8 and 4 in this row, so no 8 and 4 in these 3 boxes. 8 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 4, 8 and 4. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. Here we have 8. Here we have 8. That means in the second row, the 8 should be in one of these 2 boxes. Because here can be an 8, we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes. In the second column, no 8 there. Here can be an 8, we have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. Here can be an 8, we have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. Here can we 8? We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there in the second row. We have another 8 in this column, so no 8 there. The only place left with 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column between. The only place left with 8 should be there. 8 and 4, we have 8 now in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 4 goes there. Then, let me see. Need a 4 here. And I need a 1 here. Well, in this row, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in this row are the numbers the 1 and the 4. We have 1 and a 4 in this big square. So no 1 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and 4. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then, let me see. 7. How about these 3 missing numbers? Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 in this column. No 2 and a 6 in this box. 2 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in the 5th column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. Okay. Here, 2 numbers left now. 9 and a 5. 9 and a 5. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9. No, I need to wait here. Wait. How about the 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column? So the column between the second column only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left. The 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left now, the 2 and the 9 in this big square. 2 and the 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 2 goes there. Alright, 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, no, only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 7 and 2, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 7 goes there. Do we have all the 2s? Let me count. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 2. How about the 6s? And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 6. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. So we have 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left, the 4, it should be there. 4 in this, we have a pair, the 4 and 8 in the third column, the 4 and 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. The other pair in the first column are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes and there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square. Same numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. So here we have a pair, 1 and a 5. That means 1 digit left in this row for number the 1, the 2, 3 is missing here. Then 1, 5, and then need a 7. 7 in this row. 7 in that row. So the row between only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. So last column, no, only 2 places left. The 7 should be here. Should be there. Here we have a 7. Here we have a 7. That means the 7 should be in the second row in one of those 2 boxes. Because here can be 7, we have 7 in this column, no 7 there. Here can be 7, we have 7 in this column, no 7 there. Here can be 7, we have 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. So the 7 in the second row could be here or there. Here or there, you see another 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright, 2 numbers left now, the 1 and the 5. Okay. Here, 1, 5, 4. Need to wait. Here, also 1 and a 5 in this row. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 box left now in the middle column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing here. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left. 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 and 8, we have a 4 now in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 and 7, we have an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 7. We have a 7 now in the third row, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, can account. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. How about 8s? And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 8. Then let me see. 1 box left now in this third column. I have here 1 and a 5. We have a 1 now, so this box should be a 5. Then 2. No. Let me see here. 1 and then 9. No. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing here. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so in the third row, the only place left of 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 1 box left now in this row. First row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 40 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes I really do. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Not a 4, not a 3, not a 2. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. Definitely a 1 star. And thank you for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.